Right, this is our room tour of the Royal Suite Strip View 3533 at FontaineBleau. So this is the back of the door. If we turn around, you're presented with a rather large hallway and an adjoining door. We've got a nice large mirror. And then door to your left is the first toilet. So you have a toilet, non-separated, a magnifying mirror, a large mirror, along with a single basin, extra towels, yeah, this is some body lotion, it's very good. It's a shower cap for people blessed with hair, and an amenity box. I'll show you the one in the main bathroom, and then this has its own large shower. I did have a shower in it this morning. It's very good, pressure's very good. So we come back into the main area. We'll find the wife. There she is. Find a kitchen area with the do not touch selection just there. A large mirror that looks dirty, but I think that's the way it's supposed to be. Rice bucket, and then here you have got the cold do not touch, and then on the left hand side you have in the bottom you have your own fridge, which is being filled with fruit, Angry Orchard and water. And then in the middle you got absolutely nothing, and in the top you have a couple of glasses, some stirrers and a bottle opener. On the top of there you've got the phone to order things, I assume, and a notepad and pen. Then you come into the lounge. A couple of very nice lights, aside a small sofa, a single chair, two chairs there, your bin, your aircon control, a nice large telly, and a stunning view of the strip. Windows are a bit dirty, as you can probably tell, but yeah, it's pretty glorious. So then if we turn to the left, we've got a door. Yeah, if you want to keep it separated, but we don't, there's only two of us. And you come into the main bedroom area, you've got two seats with a table, again with a massive wall to ceiling, floor to ceiling, sorry, window. You've got a large bed with some artwork, again really nice. Temperature control, another large telly. We'll call it a bench. And then over here you've got your controls. In each room there are the similar controls. You've got a USB-C and A in there, along with power. Whilst we stay in the room, we'll open this up. Light automatically comes on. You've got the safe, luggage rack. On the top you have a steamer, and you also have listed in here dressing gown and slippers. The dressing gown is very nice, approved by the wife. And then we come into two double doors, or a set of double doors, into the main bathroom area. On the right we have a desk, you can see. To the left you have a single basin with additional towels, the hairdryer, a large mirror, and some amenities over here. Again, you've got the amenity kit. Let's show you what's in the amenity kit. So then myself. So you've got some cotton buds, ×2. You've got some cotton pads. And you've got some more cotton pads, so not too much in there to be fair. And here you've got a shower cap, you've got a razor, you've got a tube of whitening mint, some premium shaving cream by the look of it. You've got a new toothbrush, and you have some mouthwash as well. To the right of the sink, you've got your flannels, and your body lotion, and obviously with the soap as well. And then to the left, you have the shower. Comes with conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Excessively deep bath with some mirrory artwork. And then to finish off, you have a toilet separated by a piece of frosted glass. And that is it. That is the Royal Suite at FontaineBleau, room number 3533. It's gorgeous.